Hi, how's it going everyone? Welcome to my Python data versioning solution. In this video, I will walk you through how I designed and implemented a system for managing data versions for data teams. This solution is future-proof for database migration by abstracting a database access and configuration file. Switching to a new warehouse like Snowflake or BigQuery only requires updating credentials. The model architecture uses SQL Alchemy as the ORM, ensuring compatibility with various backends. The schema is standardized and ANSI compliant, allowing for easy portability without major rewrites. The design ensures minimal disruption to users during any backend transition. It's built using FastAPI for backend, Postgres for data storage, and Redis for caching, ensuring speed and scalability. Hi, my name is Abdurrahman Alfat. I'm a service audit and control engineer at Telecom Egypt. I build data solutions tailored to business needs. Enough talking, let's dive into a live demo and see the solution in action. Uh, but first, we need to create our database. So after this, let's create tables. Let's run our FastAPI. I will use FastAPI documentation. Okay, auto documentation provided by Swagger AI. It's a robust tool. So let's create our user first. Here we have our password. Actually, I've created this for our testing process. We need to keep track for this ID because we're gonna use it later. Now let's log in. By logging, it will provide us an access token, which is valid for 30 minutes. Let's take it here. Authorize. Let's take this password. Let's take this ID. Why we have this ID? Because every change is connected to someone who created this change or made creation of a dataset. So let's create our dataset first. Contains schema definition, a description, dataset name, data and metadata unnecessary, but we will provide them anyway. So let's create our first dataset. Okay, we have created it. We need to keep track for this ID, dataset ID, because we will use it for multiple ways. Actually, while testing this solution, I came to an idea: why not creating for each user, we give permission to access specified dataset and prevent them for access other datasets. So maybe it come in version 2 of this API, but now let's make our first modification to our dataset, which is going to be insert. We have inserted a new column. Let's try to update an existing one. It has been done. Let's delete. Okay. Okay, now let's see how many versions do we have for this dataset. As I told you, we will use this ID for the dataset many times. So here we have 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, and our base dataset. Okay, let's see a specific version of them. Dataset ID, specific version, let's 1.2. So here's our 1.2 dataset. It's data, it contains columns, type, and the type of action we have, or type of change we have made to it. Now let's get the latest version. Execute. Our latest version here is 1.3, created by me as user. What type of change have been done to it? It's delete. I've deleted this TOO2, and this is the complete data of it. Basically, these are our basic actions of this API. We have a cache version and search for dataset and bulk upload. Bulk upload, I never tested it because I don't have that data size to upload it as a bulk, but I'll leave it for your feedback and how to test it and how to generate this data to test this feature. And searching for dataset, get a cached version. It's gonna be based on a cache version, a fast one to ensure fast and scalability. So I'm open to any your suggestions for improving this solution and your feedback. Thanks.